Right, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name's Mark, and this is Hitman's Bonsai Journey. It's sunny outside, so we're going to have a re-look at that maple forest, take some branches off on the inside, like lower down, to make it look a bit more like a forest. And then in the spring, it should come good. Right, let's get on with it. Right, today we're going to have a little bit, we've done the shaping on the top. We're going to go into the forest now to sort out some of the branches in there as well. I may do a bit of wiring on it, but I just want to clean it up a little bit. Right, let's grab that one here. There's a few branches in here that need doing. They've got these ones here. This one here is coming at us. We don't need that one. This one's dead. Get it as close as we can. Let's unlock that a bit. Let's turn it around. There's one there I need to do. I'm not sure if I want that branch, that there, to be fair. No, I'm going to leave that. Let's take these ones off down here. That's the beauty for this turntable. You can get it where you want it. We've got a few branches coming around here. I've got a dead one here. Let's go in through this way. That's it. Coming around here. That's dead, so we can take that off. See, we've got a few branches coming out of the same position here. I don't want that here, it's going to cause a bit of swelling now. Don't want that on there either. Don't want this one here because it's going inwards. Let's get my tool in there. Same with that one. This one's coming at us. Chop that one off. So this one here's got loads of them. Take that off there. Take that off there. I'm going to take this one off. It's too low down. It's not going to be doing nothing for us. Got a few there. Yep, right up, I think, yeah. Yeah. Right. No, I don't. Getting on some clothes. Let's take a few of these. Let's get in there. Break off. There we go. Just break off. Take that off as well. I'm going to take this one off here. I don't like it for some reason. I'm wondering if I can... Oh, I didn't see that one, but that branch here is broken. So let's take that off. Run around the back here. Let's take that one off there. Because in the forest you don't really have low down branches. They all come from up the top. I know this will grow up, but if you can see a problem now, I might as well sort it out now. Let's cut that out. Hopefully I don't kill that bit off. It's going to be an ugly scar there, but I can sort that out more in the spring. I thought I might have been able to have done a bit of wiring today, but there's nothing there. This one here is dead, so cut it down there. There's one right in the middle there. How am I going to get to that? Get there. That bit there, do. That'll do. That one there's going inwards, we don't want that. That's dead. Let's get rid of that now. Give the tree a bit more energy to push out where it wants to push out. I think that would do. I've got one down here, I see it. I see you, baby. You're coming off now. I think you can see that it's a bit more cleaner. And now I'll leave it until the spring to see what that brings. It's not far away, which I'm getting excited about. The next time I will show you what I got over the year. I thought I'd do it on New Year's Day. And we can start from there. New Year, a new year. Right, that's it for today. Right, have a great one. All right, bye.